much as I can. All the window sills have been busted. Glass stays good, but the window sills will probably need to be replaced. Right here too. Chip, 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 all the way around. Just lots of damage. Window, not glass, just the window sill. Same things you were pointing out above. Okay. Now, the funniest thing is you can actually see, you see that right there? That's either where water came off or hail was getting in here, but I'll get right here. There's a bunch of little dents we can find right here just for the camera. And the chalk doesn't go, those are dents. You got a lot of granule displacement here. This is going to be indicative of high volumes of hail, not necessarily big hail, but I see big hail over here too. Checking on your underlayment, same thing, yeah, same thing as your brother's here. Your felt is tucked under your drip edge, which isn't supposed to be like this. Now, when and if we do your roof, we're going to put this felt over your drip edge, because if water gets in anywhere, it goes under the shingle, and the felt is what keeps you dried in, really. Well, right here, it goes under your felt, so they tucked it under the felt next to the wood. So the water is going under there and getting your wood moist, which can lead to buckling, swelling, rotting, mildew. Okay, now as we get up here on the roof, with the GoPro, you can kind of see stuff already. Now, something I'll show you right here. This isn't storm damage. This is probably just like I'm doing, the best place to access the roof. So anybody that needed to get on and off the roof, this is where they needed to go. What we're going to do is we're going to get up here and we're going to be looking for, what the insurance is looking for is they're looking for 8 hail hits in a 10 by 10 area. As long as that happens on 50% of your slopes, your entire roof is paid for. The gutters are damaged already, so if the roof is done, then we're going to suggest you file a claim. You know, to be quite honest, like, there's so much damage up here. I usually use the 10 foot square when it takes me 10 or 15 minutes to find enough damage. But I'll probably, like I said, I'm pretty confident we're going to find a lot up here. But we'll see. Okay, so right here on this slope, this is going to be the slope I'm going to use. We got a lot of surface area right here, as well as a lot of hail hits. Just for starters, I'll get the big ones first. Remember, we're looking for 8 hail hits in a 10 by 10 area. So okay. Now, just to kind of point out, I could continue doing this. I have enough, but this is where a hailstone hit, right here. The way you can tell is, obviously there's new asphalt showing. You see how black it is? If this was old, it would be kind of the same faded color as other stuff. Same thing up here. If you can just run across, see if I come across over here, maybe 1 or 2, but on these hailstones, when they're fresh, the stuff just, all the granules have been compromised. So, got one right here, got one right here. Now, other than the hail damage though, and the drip edge, I do see some good things. At least your roofers, whoever put this roof on, caulked all your nail holes. But what I'd say is it looks like this roof is about 8 or 9 years old, somewhere around there, because even if you didn't have hail damage, your roof is in need of what we call a roof tune-up, just to come back up here and re-caulk all these nail holes. Once this caulk wears off, that nail hole is going in through your shingle, through your underlayment, to your decking, through your decking, into your attic. It's an easy entry point for water. Just to kind of show you a little bit, you got hail damage on your air hawks. And right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's going to be, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be facing west. So the easiest thing I'll do is just say back slope. So I'll use B like that, equals, almost running out of chalk, 8 plus. So the slopes that are facing this way are going to be taking on the most damage. Leading up here, all of your facets, openings in the roof. These are air hawks. Those are exhaust caps. They're all going to need to be replaced. I mean, look at these hail hits up here. Very big, very bad. Something absolutely obliterated this one. Yeah, it's just it's bad news. Okay, so just so we have it, second slope we want to total. This will be B2. Same thing you can see here, Tony. 1, 2. Take on 3, 4. Just even 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 on the back too. Oh, no. Oh. Well, there went the chalk. Got 9 on the back too. We're totaled out. Now, I'm not going to be able to chalk it off, but we do want to come over here and check your little metal too. Your little metal awning. I can definitely tell you that Corey Construction are master installers of metal. We have master certifications. And let's see here. May get this replaced. I don't know. I can see some little flecking, if you notice. Flecking, but I don't see a lot of dents. That's held up pretty well there. Just want to check these. Yeah, these got some dents in them too, all up and down. You can see the flecking in here. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of hard to tell without chalk, but I do this all day, every day, and this is an absolutely totaled roof and house. Just really beat up. Same thing. I know you can tell that that's not how that should look. Okay. Well, we don't have to be up here too long. I think it's safe to say that you're going to need a full roof replacement, new gutters. Your fence has a lot of damage on it as well. Not just functional damage, but it's beat up your stain. It's beat up your fence. You will need it power washed and stained. We're going to conclude this and encourage you to definitely file a claim as soon as possible. Get the adjuster out. We'd love to help. If you have any questions, my name is Jeremy Wilson. My number is 817-291-9513. And thank you again for the opportunity. Bye-bye.